Hello guys, welcome once again to Jumbo Tutorials, J Tutorials actually. That's the new name for Jumbo Tutorials. And okay guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to actually add real members to your Telegram channel. Isn't that cool? On my last video, I actually taught you guys how to actually add members, though those members are not actually fake or real. They are in the middle. They can leave your channel and they can also stay. That adding with members gram that I taught you guys. If you didn't get that video, go back, go to my channel, get it. Because with members gram you can add lots and lots and tons of subscribers at a click. It's very easy using members gram. But the issue with members gram is that you are not sure if they are real subscribers or fake subscribers. They're just in a sort of middle, like sort of in the middle. But I'm going to show you guys today how to actually get real subscribers. I mean very real. They are real human beings. And you can also set your geo-targeting to the country you need. For example, you need just Ghanaians on your channel. Then you can also set that using this bot I'm about to show you guys just right now. So don't stop, watch the video to the end. And before that, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I think you're really missing out on a lot of things, because I post hacks, how to make money online, and lots of cool things you can do with your phone. I publish these videos at least on a weekly basis. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I think you're missing. And you can also share to your friends and like this video. It's very easy. The subscribe button is just below. Then you can hit on the notification button to always get our videos as soon as I post them. Okay, that's for it. Okay, I'm going straight ahead to show you guys how to actually start getting those dream members. At first you have to download the Telegram app if you have not done so. And if you don't know how to create a Telegram channel, still rush over to J Tutorials. Just use my channel's page. You will see a video, a guide on how to create a Telegram channel. I showed a detailed guide on how to start off with a Telegram channel, how to create public channels and private channels and all that stuff, blah blah blah. Okay, after logging into Telegram, I'm going to show you guys this bot over here. I think this bot is it was sort of launched, but not that too new. So the bot is very cool. It has helped me a lot, and I'm going to show you guys some samples. It's really working. It's really working. Okay, you have to at first go and search for BTC. This is the name over here. Bitcoin click bot. Bitcoin click dash bot. This is the name of the bot. And when you get the bot, you have to get started. Like, you're going to see a start button there. You just have to click on the start, and it's going to show you this menu over here. Okay, on the visit site button, you visit sites to actually earn bitcoins that you can use for your adverts. You could also withdraw those bitcoins, but I don't think it's of any use because you have to suffer to get bitcoins over here. So, but buying ads to your bitcoins are very cheap, very cheap and affordable. So you have to click on the visit site button to actually visit sites, okay, to get bitcoins. For example, if I go to this website over here and visit this website, I'm going to be awarded with a BTC. So I'm going to show you guys an example over here. Okay, this was a link actually to another person's Telegram channel. So I just entered the person's Telegram channel, and I'm going back straight ahead to my Telegram page, the page I started from, and you see over here it just gave me 0.000041 BTC. It's approximately 4.1 Satoshi over here. So you have to keep on clicking, start earning those points. Okay, you can also click on message bots and get more higher bitcoins too. Okay, there are no ads available for that. You can also join chats over here to actually join channels and groups, and you also be paid in BTC. Okay, this is the point. This button shows your balance on the bots. Okay, just showed you that you have 0.0022 BTC. Okay, this is the place where you can deposit. Okay, you can also deposit Like it says here, the purpose of depositing is to increase the balance, so you can use it to spend on advertising. Like you can deposit using your Bitcoin wallet to this boat. Is real and legit, it's trusted. I've been using these boats, no scams at all. So you can use your Bitcoin wallet to pay these boats and also sponsor your advertising. Like this for people that want larger adverts, and it's very cheap, very cheap. Trust me, I'll show you that. Okay, after that, you can, okay, this is the withdraw platform where you can withdraw the bitcoins you have. Okay, let's try clicking on it. Okay, say your balance is too small to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 0.0003 BTC. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I'm going back to the menu button right now. Okay, this is the referrals. You can also refer people to get you earn. Okay, let's just click on it so you see the details yourselves. Okay, it says you earn 15% of each user's earn from tax and 1% of BTC they spend on ads. Okay, you get 1% of BTC they spend on their ads, and you earn 15% of each user's earnings from tax. Wow, that's nice. Okay, we just have to get started. Okay, this is the setting button. You can say, you can actually set to allow NSFW, capture type, and blah blah blah. Okay, I will show you guys how to get started with the ad, and I will be using a live example so you guys will see that this bot is really working and gives real members. Okay, I'm going straight to head. These were my previous ads. Remember, you can create lots of ads, though there is a limit to every ad, but you can keep on creating ads. That's just why I love this particular bot. Okay, I'm going to new ad over here. Okay, it asks what I would love to promote. Okay, I'll choose a channel because I'm about to promote a channel. Okay, I'll be using my channel over here. I will input the link over here. Yeah. Okay, and I'll send it. Okay, to ask me for a title for my ad, I can just say, okay, because my channel is all about betting, I can just say free betting tips. You know, I could just make it easier, make it in a bolder form, okay, and send that to. Okay, it's going to ask you for a description of your ad. It must be between 10 and 180 characters. So you have to actually choose a cool description that will be very attractive. Though that does not just work because people are actually clicking those ads to earn BTC. So they must surely join your channel, whether your link is attractive or not. Okay, I can just say join to get free tips. Okay, to stop, and I'm sending that. Okay, it asks if my advertisement contains pornographic or NSFW content. So I will say no because it doesn't. And it asks, do you want to use geotargeting? Okay, remember I told you guys the advantage of this bot is that you can geotarget, like choose a specific country or countries that you want them to actually be your subscribers to join your channel. So if you choose on yes, if you choose on no, they're not gonna. They will just, a random member can just join your channel using the link. But if you click on yes, it will ask you for the countries you want them to join on your channel. And normally I'm in Nigerian, so I prefer my fellow Nigerians joining to this channel. So I could just set it to using NG. Okay, for the list of the countries, you can just click on here and it will show you the list of countries of that is their identities, their codes, so you could use them and get those countries that you need. Okay, I'm going to input Nigeria, just Nigeria, because I just need Nigeria members for now. Okay, and I'm sending that. Okay, here it asks how many hours are users required to stay in your channel. Okay, in this place you have to input the number of hours you want users to stay, at least a compulsory hours from the bot, that they don't live in those hours. That if they live in those hours, they won't be paid. You understand? So they just actually created it to help maintain the user balance, there is joining balance in the bot, so there is no cheating. So that someone will join the channel and leave immediately. That kind of thing. Okay. So I prefer choosing 48 hours. Okay, it's there for you to choose. I fresh using 48 hours. Okay, it asks what is the amount you want to pay per member you get on your channel actually. So users will be required to stay in your channel for 48 hours as I stated earlier, and it says the minimum amount is 0.000002 Satoshi. So I have to use the minimum amount to pay. You can pay higher than that depending on how much you have. Okay, I just want to use just these 2 Satoshi. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm using 2 Satoshi as my minimum payment, and it also asks how much you want to spend per day, and the maximum amount you can spend per day is 0.001, that is 108 Satoshis. Okay, I could just use that 108 Satoshis too. Okay, okay, my ad has just been created. Note that you can also disable like a sort of pause your ad, or actually leave it that way. You can disable and your ad will be stopped. It will stop. Okay, I want us to actually go straight to my channel, and see how many members I have before we actually started this ad. Okay, and you could also edit your ads over here. You can edit your title, URL, cost per member, budget, geotargeting, a description, etc. Okay, you could also delete your budget over here. So we're not interested in any of those. So I'm going straight away to my channel to show you guys how many members I have currently. Then to show you that this bot is actually working. I have 1276 subscribers already on the channel. Okay, these are the number of subscribers I have on the channel. Okay, I'm going back to the bot to actually set up the ad, start up the ad again, and you see that BTC Clickbot is actually working, and it's working perfectly. Okay, I just enabled, and okay, I already got one even before I disabled. Okay, let's just give it a little while. Okay, I'll go back to my ads. Okay, no new member has been added. Okay, let's just give it a little while, and you see that in just a jiffy, you see the members joining in your channel depending on the amount you have. Like if you go straight to my balance, okay, where is the votes? Okay, you see I have just 16 BTC, like 16.4 Satoshi. So I will be able to just get about 8 or more subscribers, since that each subscriber the amount for each subscriber is just 2 Satoshi. So I think it has started adding subscribers. Let's check on my ads now, and it says 3. Okay, remember we had 1276, right? I'm going over straight ahead to their channel to see if there was an improvement actually. Okay, hope you saw it, and it was 1278. And the amazing fact is that these subscribers are real subscribers. I mean, real human beings. No scams, no fake IDs. They are real human beings. Like I chose Nigerians, they are real Nigerians, and they're going to be joining in that sense. This is why BTC Clickbot, I discovered this hack, and I hope it was helpful to you guys. Okay, guys, please, if you have not subscribed, you are really missing out on a lot of things. Please subscribe. I hope you guys love this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.